All right, so I'm going to show you guys a quick video on how to add moving averages or studies in general on the ThinkorSwim trading platform. It's very simple. All you need to do is click Studies, Edit Studies. If we're doing the EMAs, the exponential moving averages, so we're going to type in exponential or moving average exponential, double click, and let's say we're doing the 5, 20, and 50. So right now it's showing the 9, but we're gonna, since we're doing 3, we're gonna double click again and double click again. So now we have 3. So now we just need to edit these. So we click the settings button and we change this to 5, and then memorize your colors, right? So I guess for this one, 5 is gonna be blue, and I like to have the width like 2, so it's not too thin. So we're gonna do that. So the 5, then we're gonna change this to 20. And then we can change this color to, let's say, yellow. Change this to 2. Okay. And then we're going to change this to the 50. And then we're going to change this to green. Change the width to 2. Okay. Okay. So now we can save this set, right? If this is the only study that we need on our chart, we can save as set. And let's just say clean moving study. Okay, save. So now you can add this into any chart that you have. So now you can see that we have all the studies on the chart. Plus on the bottom or the top, it shows the value of where the EMAs are. And that's it. Thanks for watching.